In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export LinkedIn Post Analytics in just 5 minutes. Exporting your LinkedIn Post Analytics can be extremely helpful, whether you're a job seeker wanting to optimize your profile or a business professional aiming to understand your audience better. By the end of this guide, you'll have all the data you need neatly exported and ready for analysis. First, you'll need to head over to LinkedIn. Open your web browser and type in linkedin.com. Once you're there, if you're not already signed in, it's time to log into your account. Look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see the Sign In button. Give it a click and enter your LinkedIn credentials. This will take you right to the LinkedIn homepage where you can see your feed and navigate to your profile. Now, let's move on to your profile. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture or name, which is usually located on the top navigation bar. This action will direct you to your profile page. Here, you should see various options such as About, Activity, Experience, and more. We are interested in the Activity section today. In the Activity section, find and click on Posts and Activity. This is where you can access a complete list of your LinkedIn activity and posts. From here, you'll be able to view analytics on your posts. Before we proceed, make sure you are logged into the correct account. Sometimes, multiple accounts can cause confusion, so double-check this to avoid any mix-ups. On the Posts and Activity page, you will notice many of your recent posts. Find the one for which you want to extract analytics and look for an option that says View Analytics. It's usually located at the bottom right corner of each post. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a new page showing detailed metrics for your post. These metrics include impressions, engagements, and other valuable data that can give you insights into how your content is performing. Finally, the last step is to export this data. Once you're on the analytics page of your selected post, look for the Export button. It's usually a prominent feature near the Report section. Click on Export and choose the file format you prefer, typically CSV or Excel, which makes it easy to manipulate and use the data in spreadsheets. And that's it. You've successfully exported your LinkedIn Post Analytics. With this data, you can now delve deeper into understanding your audience's preferences, your post's performance, and how you might want to tailor your content strategy in the future. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your LinkedIn experience.